Have you ever wondered why some toilets seem to flush with superhero strength? Well, the secret lies in pressure assist toilets. These innovative toilets deliver a powerful, efficient flush without wasting extra water. Whether you're looking to reduce clogs or save water, pressure assist toilets offer a solution that's both effective and eco-friendly. Let's dive into how they work and why they might just be the perfect choice for you. How it works. The pressurized tank design. At the core of a pressure assist toilet is its unique tank design. Inside the ceramic tank, there's a smaller plastic pressure vessel. This vessel fills with water while air gets compressed inside. When you press the flush, the built-up pressure forces the water out at high speed, sending waste straight into the sewer system with minimal effort. The result? A deeper, more efficient clean every time. I choose a pressure assist toilet. So why are pressure assist toilets gaining popularity? For starters, their flushing power is impressive. They can handle larger waste volumes with ease and are less likely to clog compared to standard toilets. Plus, they use less water per flush, which makes them both cost-efficient and environmentally friendly. And because of that strong flush, the bowl stays cleaner for longer, meaning less frequent scrubbing. Potential drawbacks. What to consider. But no product is perfect. While the flushing power is great, pressure assist toilets can be a bit louder than traditional models. This might be a deal breaker if you prefer a quieter bathroom experience. Another consideration is the upfront cost. Pressure assist toilets are more expensive than standard ones. Additionally, repairs might require specialized parts, and they need a certain water pressure to work properly, which could be a problem if your plumbing isn't set up for it. Who needs a pressure assist toilet? Who benefits most from pressure assist toilets? They're ideal for homes with large families or anyone who needs a strong, reliable flush. They're also a top choice for high-traffic commercial spaces, where efficiency is key. Plus, if you're serious about water conservation, the long-term savings can be substantial. On the flip side, if you need a quieter toilet or your plumbing system isn't suited for high pressure, this might not be the right fit. Maintenance and installation. What you need to know. When it comes to maintenance, pressure assist toilets can save you money on water bills over time, but they might require more upkeep than traditional models. Installation is similar to standard toilets, but because of the pressurized system, you might need a professional plumber to handle the installation and any future repairs. Though they come with a higher price tag, the savings on water and cleaning could make them a smart investment in the long run.